Assalamu alaikum. I'm looking forward to meeting you all and seeing you at a Faith and Feminism conference, inshallah, at Jannah Institute, end of the month in Irvine, California. I will be there along with several other scholars, God willing, and it is incredibly important for us as Muslim women to understand what is authentically part of our tradition and what is being falsely projected upon our tradition. Religious literacy is one of the most important ways to basically overcome religious patriarchy or things that are falsely projected on our religion that are in violation of the Quranic ethos and prophetic precedent. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear sisters, you have been crying and asking about where are the female scholars. SubhanAllah, they're going to be together at the Jannah Institute. So make sure that you come for this women's conference. It's an opportunity for you to heal your heart, for you to learn about your value with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for you to hold on closer to your deen, and for you to walk in the footsteps of the great women of Islam, past and present. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.